Hi everyone, and I just wanted to touch base with you. We're diving into our goals and objectives for our practicum experiences, and just be very deliberate about your experiences. And as you're there, you may be availed to some opportunities that may be beyond what you anticipated. And please be open to opportunities, even if it's something that you hadn't specifically planned about your practicum. If it's something that you can learn or solidify some of the concepts that you've learned within your master's program, please talk to your preceptor about doing so and engage. And as you are engaging with your preceptor, think beyond the here and now. Think about their role, how their role correlates with others within the organization. Look at group dynamics, look at communication skills, even if that's not the area of focus that you have right now, but look very broad at the experience of leadership in that particular organization, as well as the culture within that organization. And get in tune to maybe there's subcultures within an organization as well. And those are all really valuable insights as leaders in your own organizations to see how everything ticks and ties together and how everything can work in a very deliberate and meaningful way. So with that being said, the next step to really start to talk with your preceptor and start solidifying is your upcoming project. You want to solidify that clinical issue or opportunity for improvement that you're going to address and really refine what that looks like. So have those conversations with your preceptor. And with that being said, as we look forward to February the 15th, that's when you'll start to have some of your, you'll solidify that clinical problem or opportunity for improvement, and you'll also be diving into the literature about that particular problem to see what's there in the evidence. What can you do to address those issues? So you will be doing an annotated bib, and just know that there is a video in the course that goes through the rubric for that particular assignment, as well as you'll get permission from your organization to complete your scholarly project. So just know that's the next step on February the 15th. That's what we will be looking at. And just remember go to that course materials section, and you will find the video on the overview of the February 15th assignment. So as always, let me know if you have any questions, if you want to talk through a potential project, an area of focus, just let me know. But always know that when you're examining opportunities for improvement, you want to dive into the evidence to find the answers for that particular problem or that opportunity for improvement. We don't want to put the cart before the horse and decide what we're going to do before we get into the evidence, because much of what our focus is being very effective in implementing evidence-based practice. So that means we need to dive into the evidence first. So let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to working with you. Take care now.